Welcome back to dailycryptotalk.com. It's Monday, November 25th, 2024.
Make sure you hit that bell icon
In the lower right corner.
so you get those notifications and never miss a session.
Today, we are diving deep into the crypto market to help you guys make those informed investment decisions.
Yeah, we got a lot to cover today.
I do.
From market trends and hot coins to some potential opportunities that could really impact your portfolio. The market's buzzing
It is.
with activity, so let's get right to it.
Let's jump right in. First things first, Bitcoin. It's been on an absolute tear recently, approaching that $100,000 mark. It's currently sitting at $97,985 according to Binance.
Yeah.
What's driving this surge, and what's your outlook for Bitcoin in coming weeks?
Well, Bitcoin's rally is fueled by a combination of factors.
Okay.
There's growing institutional adoption,
Yeah.
with more and more companies adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets.
Yeah.
We're also seeing increased interest from retail investors,
Makes sense.
especially as inflation concerns continue to rise. Technically, Bitcoin has broken through key resistance levels, which is attracting momentum traders.
Interesting.
In the short term, I expect Bitcoin to test the $100,000 mark. If it can hold above that level, we could see a further push towards $120,000.
Wow.
But remember, Bitcoin is known for its volatility, so be prepared for some pullbacks along the way. For now, our advice is to hold onto your Bitcoin. The long-term outlook remains bullish.
That's great insight.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about Ethereum. It seems like it's finally shaking off the bear market blues and making a strong comeback. What's behind Ethereum's resurgence, and is it a buy right now?
Ethereum's comeback is driven by the continued growth of the DeFi ecosystem and the anticipation of ETH 2.0.
Yeah.
DeFi, or decentralized finance, is revolutionizing the financial industry, and Ethereum is the leading platform for DeFi applications.
Right.
The upcoming upgrade to ETH 2.0 promises to make the network faster, more scalable, and more energy efficient, addressing some of the long-standing concerns about Ethereum.
Right.
This has sparked renewed interest from investors and developers. Right now, Ethereum is trading around $6,800. We believe Ethereum is a strong buy at these levels. It has the potential to reach $10,000 or even higher by the end of the year, especially if ETH 2.0 rolls out successfully. Don't miss out on this opportunity.
Right.
Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future analysis and updates.
All right, let's move on to altcoins. It seems like the meme coin frenzy is finally cooling down. Attention is shifting back to the main players in the market. What are some altcoins that are standing out to you right now?
One altcoin that's been making headlines is Solana.
Okay.
It's been on an absolute tear, hitting a new all-time high recently. Some analysts are predicting it could surge up to $299 based on a bullish pennant pattern, a technical indicator that suggests a continuation of the upward trend. For those unfamiliar, a bullish pennant pattern is a chart formation that signals a potential breakout to the upside.
Okay.
Solana has been gaining traction due to its high-speed transactions and low fees, making it an attractive alternative to Ethereum for developers.
Right.
However, it's important to note that Solana's trader leverage is currently very high, meaning there's a lot of borrowed money on the market, which can amplify volatility. So, while the potential for gains is there, manage your risk carefully. We're giving Solana a cautious buy rating.
Yeah.
It has potential, but be prepared for some wild price swings.
Another altcoin that's been generating a lot of buzz is XRP analyst Josh from Crypto World thinks XRP has the potential to hit $2 if it can break through the $1.60 to $1.70 resistance zone. That resistance zone represents a price level where sellers have historically stepped in, preventing further upward movement. However, there's also some concern about XRP's support level around $1.30. If it dips below that, we can see a pullback. What's your take on XRP, and do you think it's a good investment right now?
XRP is an interesting case.
Yeah.
It's been caught in a legal battle with the SEC, which has created uncertainty for investors.
Right.
However, there's also growing optimism that Ripple, the company behind XRP, might win the case, which could send the price soaring. Ripple is making progress in its mission to become a major player in the global payment system,
Right.
and that's attracting institutional interest.
Interesting.
Our stance on XRP is neutral for now. It's a high-risk, high-reward play. If you're bullish on Ripple and believe they will win their case, then XRP could be a good buy.
Yeah.
But if you're risk-averse, it's probably best to wait for more clarity on the legal front. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates on XRP's legal situation.
Let's shift gears now and talk about a coin that's been making waves in the news. Shiba Inu. It seems like SIB is more than just a meme coin these days. What's driving the recent interest in Shiba Inu, and is it worth investing in?
There's a lot of speculation surrounding Shiba Inu. Rumors are circulating that China might be softening its stance on crypto. If that's true, it could be huge for SIB,
Yeah.
as China has a massive market of potential investors. There's also talk about Charles Schwab potentially entering the crypto space, which could bring a wave of legitimacy and liquidity to the market, benefiting coins like EB with large active communities. Additionally, we've noticed some large investors, often called whales, shifting their portfolios towards SHIB, suggesting they might be anticipating a rally. These factors, combined with SHIB's growing ecosystem and passionate community, have fueled its recent price surge. However, remember, Shiba Inu is still a meme coin at its core.
Yeah.
It lacks the strong fundamentals and real-world utility of some other projects.
Right.
Our advice for SHIB:
Yeah.
it's a speculative buy. If you're willing to take on the risk and believe in the power of the SHIB community, then go for it.
Okay.
But don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Now let's turn our attention to a couple of coins that have a shared history. Polkadot and Kusama. They were created by the same team and share a lot of similarities in their technology and goals.
Right.
What's the connection between these two coins, and why are they worth watching right now?
Kusama is essentially a testing ground for Polkadot, often referred to as a canary network. It allows developers to experiment and refine their ideas in a live environment before deploying them on the more established Polkadot network. This makes Kusama a hotbed of innovation, and it often sees price surges when new and exciting projects are launched. Polkadot, on the other hand, is focused on building a secure and scalable multi-chain network.
Okay.
It aims to connect different blockchains together, allowing them to interoperate seamlessly. Think of it as the internet of blockchains.
That's a great analogy. So why are these two coins making headlines recently? Is it just because of the shared technology, or is there more to it?
Both Polkadot and Kusama have shown impressive price action lately.
Okay.
Kusama has surged significantly from its lows earlier this year, and it's showing signs of further upward momentum. It recently formed a double bottom pattern, which is a bullish signal in technical analysis, indicating a potential reversal of the downtrend. Polkadot has also been on a tear, climbing over 138% from its yearly low. It formed a triple bottom pattern earlier this year, which typically precedes a strong upward move.
So they're both showing bullish technical patterns. But what about the fundamentals? Are there any underlying factors driving their growth?
Absolutely. Both Polkadot and Kusama have seen a surge in network activity.
Okay.
They have a growing number of active users, and transaction fees are on the rise, which indicates that their ecosystems are thriving.
Got it.
Polkadot in particular is making waves in the blockchain gaming space. Its partnership with Mythical Games to launch FIFA Rivals on the Polkadot blockchain is a significant development showcasing the platform's versatility.
That's interesting. So for investors looking for altcoins with strong fundamentals and potential for growth, Polkadot and Kusama are definitely worth considering.
They're both solid choices.
Okay.
Kusama is a bit more volatile and higher risk, but it also has the potential for higher rewards. Polkadot is a bit more established and lower risk, but it might also have a slower growth trajectory. Ultimately, it depends on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, always do your own research before investing. And hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our analysis of Polkadot and Kusama.
Now, before we wrap up this segment, let's talk about a coin that's been attracting a lot of attention, but for all the wrong reasons. BitTorrent, or BTTC.
Right.
There's a lot of hype about BTTC potentially experiencing a massive surge, with some claiming it could see a 9,000% increase. What's your take on this? Is it realistic, or is it just hype?
Let's dive into the numbers and separate the hype from reality.
Okay.
While there's definitely excitement surrounding BTTC, the claim of a 9,000% surge is a bit misleading. The math doesn't quite add up to the acclaimed $300 billion market cap that some are projecting. If BTTC were to hit the projected target price of 0.000000036, the market cap would actually be closer to $34.56 billion. To reach $300 billion, the price would have to climb to 0.0003125. That's a 29,106% increase.
Wow.
Which is significantly higher than the 9,000% being touted.
So the 9,000% claim is likely an exaggeration, but does BTTC still have any potential? Or is it a coin to avoid altogether?
It's not a simple yes or no answer. While the numbers might be inflated, BTTC does have some factors working in its favor. It has a large circulating supply, which can attract investors looking for a low entry point. And there's always the possibility of market catalysts like major partnerships or positive news that could drive the price up. However, long-term success in crypto relies on strong fundamentals.
Right.
And BTTC's fundamentals are still a bit shaky. It's primarily known as a peer-to-peer file-sharing platform, and its expansion into other areas like decentralized apps and networks is still in its early stages.
Got it.
Our advice for BTTC is to proceed with caution. It's a high-risk investment, and it's crucial to do your own research and understand the potential downsides before investing. Don't get caught up in the hype.
That's great advice.
Yeah.
We've covered a lot of ground in this first segment. From Bitcoin's march towards $100,000 to the hype surrounding meme coins like Shiba Inu and the potential of projects like Polkadot and Kusama. We've also highlighted the importance of doing your own research and not getting swept up in the hype, especially when it comes to coins like BPTC. Stick with us in our next segment. We'll be diving into some tips for new futures traders, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out.
And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get those notifications so you don't miss our next analysis on BTTC.
Tired of missing market opportunities? Switch to TrendSpider, the smart charting platform that simplifies your trading decisions. With automated analysis, custom alerts, and powerful tools, you'll always stay one step ahead. Ready to upgrade your trading? Click the link on this page to start your free trial with TrendSpider now.
Welcome back to dailycryptotalk.com.
Let's shift our focus now to some specific altcoins that have been catching our eye. First up is Aptos, a newcomer that's been generating buzz as the next Solana. What's all the excitement about, and is it worth adding to our watch lists?
Aptos is definitely a project to keep an eye on.
Okay.
It's a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain that's designed for speed and scalability. What sets Aptos apart is its use of the Move programming language, which was specifically created for secure and scalable blockchain applications. We're already seeing growing adoption of Aptos in the DeFi, space gaming, and even enterprise solutions, which suggests that it has the potential to become a favorite among developers. If Aptos can live up to its potential and continues to expand its ecosystem, it could very well see significant price appreciation in the coming years. Remember, early adoption often leads to the biggest gains in crypto.
That's certainly something to consider. Now let's circle back to Shiba Inu. We talked about its potential earlier, but I'm curious to delve a bit deeper into its evolution beyond just a meme coin. Is there substance to back up the hype?
Shiba Inu has been making strides to shed its meme coin image and establish itself as a serious player in the crypto space. It's been actively building out its ecosystem with the launch of ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange, and the integration of NFTs.
Interesting.
The upcoming launch of Shibarium, its Layer 2 solution, is expected to significantly reduce transaction fees and increase speed, making it more attractive for users and developers. The Shiba Inu community is also incredibly passionate and active, which can be a powerful force in driving adoption and price appreciation.
It sounds like Shiba Inu is on a mission to prove that it's more than just a fleeting meme. Now let's talk about the OG meme coin, Dogecoin. Could DOGE finally break through that $1 barrier?
Dogecoin has come a long way since its humble beginnings as a joke.
That has.
It has a massive and loyal community, and it's enjoyed the support of high-profile figures like Elon Musk. What's interesting is that Dogecoin is becoming increasingly accepted as a payment method for goods and services. Even Tesla merchandise can be purchased with DOGE, this growing real-world utility.
Right.
Combined with DOGE's widespread popularity, could potentially push its price higher in the future. It's a coin that knows how to ride the wave of hype and turn it into tangible progress.
Now let's turn our attention to a coin that's been making waves with its impressive scalability and developer-friendly features, Avalanche, or AVXX. What sets Avalanche apart from other Layer 1 blockchains, and what's its potential for growth?
Avalanche is a unique platform that uses a subnet architecture, which allows developers to create their own custom blockchains tailored to specific needs, whether it's DeFi, NFTs, or enterprise solutions.
Wow.
This flexibility is a major draw for developers, and it's contributing to the rapid growth of the Avalanche ecosystem. Avalanche is also known for its low fees and super fast transaction speeds, making it an attractive alternative to Ethereum for many projects. As more and more projects choose Avalanche for its scalability and ease of use, AVX could see significant price appreciation in the coming years.
It sounds like Avalanche is well-positioned to capture a significant share of the growing blockchain market. Now let's move on to a coin that plays a vital role in the crypto ecosystem. Chainlink, or LAN's Chainlink, is often described as the bridge between the blockchain world and the real world. Can you elaborate on that?
Chainlink is the leading decentralized Oracle network. Oracles are essentially data feeds that connect smart contracts on the blockchain to information from the outside world. This allows smart contracts to interact with real-world events and data, expanding their capabilities tremendously. For example, a smart contract could use Chainlink to get real-time weather data to trigger an insurance payout in the event of a natural disaster. Chainlink is crucial for the wider adoption of blockchain technology because it enables smart contracts to go beyond the confines of blockchain and interact with the real world in meaningful ways.
So Chainlink is not just a good investment. It's an essential part of the blockchain infrastructure. With the continued growth of blockchain applications, Chainlink is well positioned for long-term success. Now let's dive into the world of DeFi, specifically Aave. It's a lending and borrowing platform that's been making headlines. What makes Aave stand out in the crowded DeFi space, and is it a good investment?
Aave is a DeFi powerhouse that offers secure and user-friendly lending and borrowing solutions. What sets apart is its innovative features like flash loans, which allow users to borrow large amounts of crypto for a very short period without any collateral. This opens up a world of possibilities for developers, enabling them to create new and exciting DeFi applications. Aave is also expanding across multiple blockchains and has a strong governance model, which is attracting both individual investors and institutional players. As DeFi adoption continues to accelerate, Aave is well-positioned for growth.
Aave is certainly a project to watch for those interested in the DeFi space. Now let's talk about a newcomer that's been turning heads. Sui. What's the story behind Sui and what's its potential for growth?
Sui is a brand new blockchain that's designed for high-speed transactions and complex decentralized applications. It was developed by former Meta engineers, and it uses a unique object-based model to achieve incredible efficiency. Sui is still in its early stages, but it's already generating a lot of excitement among developers who are drawn to its speed and scalability. If Sui can attract a strong developer community and its ecosystem grows, it could see substantial price appreciation in the coming years.
It sounds like Sui is a high-risk, high-reward type of investment for those who believe in its potential. Now let's talk about Phantom, or FTM. It's a blockchain platform known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees. What makes Phantom stand out from other Layer 1 blockchains?
Phantom is an intriguing platform that uses directed acyclic graph technology, or DAG, to achieve near instantaneous transactions with minimal fees. This makes it incredibly attractive for a wide range of applications, including DeFi and enterprise solutions. Phantom also has its own blockchain ecosystem called the Opera blockchain, which is gaining momentum and attracting a steady stream of developers and projects. As more developers and users embrace the Phantom ecosystem, FTM could see significant price growth.
Phantom is definitely a project to keep on our radar. Now let's talk about a coin that's tapping into the metaverse trend, the Sandbox, or Sand. What is the Sandbox and why is it attracting so much attention?
The Sandbox is a virtual world where users can create, own, and monetize their gaming experiences and digital assets. Think of it as a decentralized version of platforms like Roblox or Minecraft. The Sandbox allows users to buy and sell virtual land, create and trade NFTs, and participate in a vibrant digital economy. It's also attracting major brands and celebrities, which is boosting its visibility and appeal. As the demand for metaverse platforms continues to grow, Sand could see significant price appreciation.
It seems like the Sandbox is well positioned to capitalize on the growing interest in the metaverse. Now let's talk about a meme coin that's defied expectations and proven that community-driven projects can still make a splash in the crypto world, Pepe, or PPE. What's the story behind Pepe, and is it more than just a meme?
Pepe is a great example of the power of memes and online communities in the crypto space. It captured the attention of the crypto world with its vibrant community and viral marketing. Pepe's short-term success is undeniable, but its long-term sustainability will depend on its ability to evolve beyond its meme status and develop a more robust use case. For now, it remains a speculative investment, but one that could potentially pay off big for those who time it, right?
It seems like the meme coin phenomenon is here to stay, even if the specific coins that capture the spotlight may change over time. We've covered a lot of ground in this segment, exploring a diverse range of altcoins, from established players to exciting newcomers. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next segment, where we'll be sharing some valuable tips for new futures traders.
Take control of your crypto journey with Binance, the platform trusted by millions. Trade over 350 coins with low fees and powerful tools for every skill level. Ready to get started? Hit the link on this page and join Binance today.
Welcome back to dailycryptotalk.com. We've explored a wide range of coins today, from established players to up-and-coming projects. Now let's shift gears and talk about a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to navigate the crypto market successfully: futures trading.
Futures trading can be a powerful tool
Absolutely.
for amplifying your gains, but it also comes with increased risks. That's why it's essential to have a solid understanding of how futures markets work before diving in. For newcomers, we always recommend starting with spot trading to get a feel for the market before venturing into futures.
That's sound advice. For those who are ready to explore futures trading, we came across some helpful tips from Binance Square user Jonathan Alex. Let's break down his advice and discuss why it's particularly relevant for new traders. First up, he recommends focusing on just one token for futures trading. Why is that so important?
Well, futures trading involves leverage,
Right.
which means you're essentially borrowing money to amplify your potential gains.
Yeah.
However, leverage also magnifies your losses if the market moves against you.
Right.
By focusing on one token, you can dedicate your attention to understanding its price movements,
Okay.
analyzing its charts, and managing your risk effectively. Trying to juggle multiple tokens in futures trading can quickly become overwhelming, especially for new traders. If you're interested in diversifying your portfolio, stick to spot trading for that.
That makes a lot of sense. Jonathan Alex also advises against shorting popular tokens. What's the reasoning behind that?
Shorting a token means betting that its price will go down.
Okay.
While it can be profitable, it's generally riskier than going long, especially in a bull market.
Right.
Popular tokens often have strong communities and a lot of momentum behind them, which can make it difficult to predict when or if a price correction will occur. For new traders, it's best to focus on long positions,
Got it.
where you're betting that the price of a token will go up, which aligns with the overall trend in a bull market.
Another tip from Jonathan Alex is to take small profits whenever possible. Why is this a good strategy, especially for new traders?
It's tempting to hold on to your trades in hopes of making huge gains,
It is.
but that can often lead to disappointment, especially in the volatile world of crypto.
Right.
By taking small profits consistently, you're locking in gains and reducing your overall risk. This approach helps you build confidence and develop a disciplined trading strategy, which is essential for long-term success.
His next piece of advice is a bit more technical. Opt for isolated trading instead of cross-trading to manage your risk and margin levels better. Can you explain the difference between these two types of trading and why isolated trading is generally preferred for new traders?
Sure, in cross-trading, your entire futures balance is used as collateral for all your open positions.
Okay.
This means that if one of your trades goes bad and you experience liquidation, you could lose your entire balance. Isolated trading, on the other hand, allows you to allocate a specific amount of margin to each trade.
Got it.
If that trade goes bad, you only lose the margin you allocated to that specific position.
Okay.
Limiting your overall risk for new traders, isolated trading is a much safer approach as it helps to prevent catastrophic losses.
That's a crucial point for new traders to understand. Finally, Jonathan Alex recommends keeping risk levels low, preferably 20% or lower. Why is it so important to manage your risk, especially when trading with leverage?
Leverage amplifies both gains and losses.
Right.
By keeping your risk levels low, you're reducing the potential impact of losses on your overall portfolio. A lower risk level also creates a more stable trading experience, which is especially beneficial for newcomers who are still learning the ropes. It allows you to stay in the game longer, gain experience, and refine your trading skills without taking on excessive risk.
Those are all great tips from Jonathan Alex. Remember, futures trading can be a rewarding but risky endeavor. Always prioritize risk management, start small, and gradually increase your exposure as you gain experience and confidence. And of course, don't forget to do your own research and stay informed about the latest market developments. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a session.
And that brings us to the end of our deep dive for today.
Whoa.
We've covered a lot of ground, from market trends and hot coins to tips for futures trading. We've highlighted opportunities, analyzed risks, and emphasized the importance of informed decision-making. Remember, the crypto market is constantly evolving, so staying ahead of the curve is crucial.
Absolutely.
We'll be back tomorrow with another insightful session, bringing you the latest insights and analysis to help you navigate this exciting world.
So make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to dailycryptotalk.com. Happy trading, everyone.
Tired of guessing the market moves? Switch to TradingView, the go-to platform for traders. With advanced charting tools, alerts, and a strong community of traders sharing insights, you'll always stay ahead. Join TradingView for free now. Click the link on this page and trade like a pro.